Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get super thanks on your YouTube videos. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So if you're a content creator or you're new to YouTube and just starting out your YouTube journey, having a YouTube channel, and you want to know how to get super thanks on your videos so that you can basically earn money. And I'm talking about once you're on a YouTube video, you have the super thanks icon at the bottom right of the video. Once you click on that, you're able to show appreciation and support the channel by donating money to that channel, right? By simply utilizing this super thanks option. So if you're a new YouTuber and you're just starting out your YouTube journey, you have to be accepted in the YouTube partner program in order to utilize and have this feature on your channel. And what are the requirements? I have head over to Flicky, who also have an article showing the new monetization requirement in 2024 for YouTube. And it's as simple as this. You need to have at least 500 subscribers, 3 valid public upload videos in the last 90 days, and also you need to have at least 3,000 watch hours in the past year. By having this, you can apply for the YouTube partner program on your channel, and if you're accepted, you will be unlocking quite a few features that allows you to start earning on your channel. And I'm going to show you what it looks like once you have those options available. So once you're on your YouTube channel, guys, you want to click on earn on the lower right hand side, and you will have these options available to you. You will have the super thanks available on your YouTube channel once you have 3,000 watch hours, 3 valid upload in the past 90 days, and 500 subscribers, and you are accepted into the YouTube partner program. Then you will have a bunch of options available to you. The options that you have available to you once you do so are the membership, the super thanks and chat, and also the shopping option. You will not be able to utilize ads on your videos until you reach the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So keep that in mind. You will not be able to put ads on your videos until you reach the full requirements of 4,000 watch hours and minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Now, once you have those minimum requirements of the 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours and minimum 3 uploads in the past 90 days, and you're here, you want to head over to the super at the top here. So as you can see, I have a bunch of options here. You want to click over to super, and once you're here, you will see on the upper right hand side super chat, super stickers, and also super thanks. So you can simply go ahead and toggle these on. As you can see, I have it there, and I don't want to disable it, but you want to go ahead and toggle these options on in order to have it. So if you want to enable the super thanks or super sticker or super chat, just simply toggle these options on, and when you go back to the video on your channel, refresh, you will be able to have the options available to your viewers to donate to you with super thanks. And that's how you can easily go ahead and get super thanks on your YouTube videos in 2024 and beyond on YouTube. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.